How you doing? This is Kpflip. Buy, sell, flip. You buy something for cheap and you sell for high. Had the Apple MacBook Pros. So, like the more you buy, I buy wholesale. Wholesale mean the more you buy, the cheaper you pay. Right? It's like me buying a MacBook Pro for 200. Say if I buy 10, they'll give it to me like for 120. But this how you make money. This how you make money with MacBook Pros. All you need to do is start off with one. You start off with one, right? With one piece for 150, right? You sell for 300. Now you made $150 profit. So this is what you do. You take that 150 profit, put it back into it. Now you got 300. Take the 300, buy two pieces, right? You sell that. Now you got 600 because you sold it for 300 a piece. So you invested 300, now you got 600. Now you got 600 to invest. So you take that 600 and buy 600 worth of merchandise. So now you buy 4 pieces. Take that 4 pieces and sell it for 300 each. 3, 6, 9, 12. You made $1,200. You made $1,200 easy. And you made it in one day. So now you got to use your head. Because I know you get the $1,200, you want to go buy this, you want to go buy that, you want to go buy this, you want to go buy that, you want to take a little $100 and go buy this, take a little $50. No, but so what you're doing, you are messing up your whole profit. So this is how I would do it. I would take that $1,200, cut it in half, that's 600. Take 600, put it away, and invest a 6. And you keep on doing that for at least 1 week. Now, let's say, because you just say you made 3,000. You made $3,000. So now you got to be focused and put that money away. You got to keep on putting away your profit. Keep on putting away your profit. Take 3. You made 3,000. Put 1,500 away. Easy. Put 1,500 away. Now you're in the game. Now you could buy MacBook Pros. You could buy other electronics. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to stay on one item. You want to buy different product. That's how you become your own boss. That's how you become a boss, because you're buying different product. Now you're your own boss. Now you don't have to punch a clock. You wake up in the morning. You do what you want to do. Go when you want to go. But you got to understand you're your own boss, so you got to work just as hard. You feel me? Because you understand, if you mess up, you got to go back to your job. And I know you don't want to go back to your job. So you got to keep on working hard, working hard, working hard, working hard, working hard to be your boss. You want to be independent. You don't want to have to ask nobody for nothing. You keep on investing and you keep on investing, 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 investing. And that's how you become successful. You want to become successful. You don't want to work for anyone. And that's what I have done. I have been successful. I buy and flip, buy and flip, buy and flip, buy and flip, buy and flip. That's the game. That's how you become successful. Now you got $3,000 worth of product. 3,000 make you 9. $3,000 will make you $9,000. It seems easy, right? No, it ain't easy. It's difficult because you got to be out there more. You got to invest. You got to focus. You got to want to do it. Nothing come easy. Nothing come easy. When you sell, like me, you go watch my videos. I get a whole lot of no's. Whole lot of no's. But when I get that one yes, I'm motivated. That's my bullet. Cause when I get that, man, I be ready to go. So if you want to be successful, you got to invest. You got to focus. That's the main thing you got to do. You got to focus. You got to focus. You know what I'm saying? You got to sacrifice something to get something. You feel what I'm saying? Now you made $9,000. Now how you feel? You feel good? Now you can take care of your family. Now you can do stuff that you couldn't do before. You feel me? And you feel good within yourself because you like, man, I did it all by myself. It feels good. And that's what you got to do, man. Nothing is easy. Everything is hard, man. But you got to stay focused, keep on grinding, keep on grinding, keep on grinding. Keep on grinding. If you want to do this for a living, you got to keep on grinding. Keep on grinding. Invest your money. Don't never give up. Don't never give up. Keep on grinding. Invest your money. Do not never give up. All it takes is that one MacBook Pro. It takes that one MacBook Pro to get on. Take that one MacBook Pro, sell it. Make 300. 3 turn into 6. 6 turn into 9. 9 turn into 12. 3,000, 6,000, 9,000. Now you got money to play with. Now you can buy more product. So this one is about teaching y'all how to be your own boss and know if I can do it, you can do it. Anything you want in life, just work hard. Put your mind to it. Work hard, put your mind to it. You can do anything you want in life. All you gotta do is just focus. Focus. And work hard. It's nothing like being your own boss. It's nothing like working for yourself. It's nothing like it. I wake up in the morning, I feel good. Actually, I feel beautiful because I don't have to punch a clock. Why you should have to punch a clock? But to get to that point, you got to get your mind right. You got to get your mind focused. To get to that point, you got to be focused. Focus. Because if you're not focused, you're not going to get there. I don't care what you do. I don't care how good you sell. If your mind is not right, you're not going to get there. You got to be focused. God bless, man. Watch my channel, Kpflip. Kpflip on YouTube. I'm all about knowledge. I'm all about teaching. I'm all about helping. And that's what it's about. That's what it's about. If somebody put me on, I want to put y'all on. That's what it's about. It's about helping. It's about showing love, man. It ain't about player hating. It ain't about making sure I got... Nah, man. We all got to win, man. We all got to win. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to teach y'all something. And you can see by my videos, this is exactly... You can see me getting money. So you know it's real. You know it's real. I do this for real. God bless, man. Buy, sell, flip. Buy, sell, flip. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.
If you got a sensor for it?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna make it work.
I can get an extension cord right here. I have a plug
Okay,
right here
okay.
for you.
I'm gonna make it work. Yeah. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah.
So those are the only ones.
Oh, okay.
Mostly Lenovo.
Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah.
This whole gate board right here is still the C grade of the same model.
Ooh.
But I've got B's up there.
Okay. And they ready to go? How you doing, sir?
These are the ones that we have the most of,
Okay.
and I know we have power supply.